to mbnaviupdates.com. Just by clicking this website in a search bar, you will come to the main page of the Mbnaviupdates. So this is the home page of Mbnaviupdates, where you can see our details. Now in today's video we will discuss about the question and answer section. Just by clicking question and answer section, you will come to the page. This is our frequently asked question sections. Here you can find answer to some of the most commonly asked questions about our products and service. If you can't find the answer you are looking for, you can always contact us using the detail on our contact page. But I will give a short summary where you can see the Mercedes Navy Update Week FAQs, where there are already asked questions by employees that are answered by our experts. If you want to ask a question, you can contact us or visit our website for more information, that is mbnaviupdates.com. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just by clicking subscribe, you can add